Yo, I just want to show you how to change this one. It's a BMW E90 2006 model, but I think it will apply to all BMWs. Okay, we have this, the old one, and this is the new one. Okay, you don't need any tools, just hold it firmly. I did put it on the second gear so it will be steady. Hold it like this and pull it up with lot of force. Yeah. Okay, see that? It's a very used one. And we put the new one. Make sure in the right position and click. You need to hear the click. Okay, neutral, and that's it. Really nice, really very nice. Thank you. I hope it helps.